Just needs a little bit of love.
Oh, it needs a lot of love, don't get me wrong.
Sure.
I
was
get a hammering.
scared. I couldn't.
You send it.
I couldn't go hand
No,
on.
I mean, it works. The brake does actually engage, just not very well.
Can we do busted nuts?
Okay.
Final hurrah?
Oh, busted nut.
Yeah, on Callan's bike. I'll fucking send it.
Yeah.
Alright, Donald.
You can do it.
Come on, you can do it. It's just like hiking. Cool banana. I need some better pedals, I think, actually. Alright, who wants to be on camera?
No, bro, you'll go on the front. Oh, it's on the back.
Who wants to go on camera? Donald!
Let's go, bro.
No, I'll try pace myself.
Let's go.
I'll just pace it. Is you coming down this one?
Boom, boom.
Yep. Alright. Give it a whirl.
Just making sure it's doing progress. It's still doing progress. I do not die. I will break around.
It's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of night in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of night.
I made it!
And I lost my hand at one point and I was like, oh god. Did you make any jumps?
Yeah, a couple. I cased one. Oh.
That looks so weird.
Yeah, what the fuck? Come on.
Yeah, it's good. Your handlebars are rock solid. My palms are hurting.
Yeah, my hands always hurt.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no
because
wonder.
it's cheap one. See, it's cheap.
They're brand new.
Yeah.
Literally brand new. And
Yeah,
German
but like cheap
engineering.
one.
This is the footage I want to see later.
It's made. It's made.
Literally brand new. And
See, these are the cheap ones.
Are you sure?
no, they're expensive.
Is that the one
You've got
from?
me under them. What? They're German engineering, boys.
Is that from Alibaba? That's the one.
Mate, they're
Huh?
ergon. They're ergon, bro.
I've all day to look at this at work and this week off. Multiple
No, it's
days.
because you start with, you overthink things.
Yeah, true.
I've been there.
Oh, not the camera.
No, just.
Fuck's sake, what are you doing?
No, it's hiding.
Yeah, I'm always like that.